So guys, this is the Lion Dream, and I am yeah, and I'm like playing Animal Jam, and I made like this spy HQ in my den, and I put all kinds of spy gear and stuff. I put like those crystals, and then to that I put like a spy TV, like what a spy would do and stuff. And then after that I put speakers, and I put like a spy lounge. Then after that I put like, it's like we're spies and we trapped a phantom for, yeah, and then you have like lunch and stuff, and then you have like that, and then you have a nice fountain right there. And today I went on a lot of adventures. If you can see, I didn't go on these much adventures, and I went on this much adventures, and I had 24,000 gems. That's pretty a lot, and I used it on all of this stuff here, if you can see. And yeah, and I still have a little bit left, and I deleted a few dens. That's how I got the more money. And then that's why right now I'm going to, and today I don't have like my headphones when I'm literally like doing a different video, or when I have like recordings. You're not gonna get it, guys. If you like are a YouTuber or something, you will get a little bit of what I'm saying. And okay, I'm going to play with my spy agents, and I have people that are spy agents, have like 3 spy agents, and they're spies and stuff. So what I wore was for like a spy suit, scarf, and some headphones. This is my spy costume. If I had anything that's more spy-ristic, then yes, I would use it. If you think this looks like a spy a little, these two, well, I don't think so to me, though. Okay, dropping auto frames, blah blah blah. Okay, my cuz mad at you for ignoring her. Who? Oh, that's my best friend. I don't know what she on here. She's a girl, but she's still a friend of mine. Yeah. Cause last time she gave me something, and she said, "Want to be a friend?" I said, "Sure." Oh, nothing. Not my cuz. I'm recording, so okay. Yeah. This is her cuz. This is my best friend on Roblox. Yeah. She has a few animals. She only has a few, and she doesn't have any swimming animals. She has a lot of pets. She has a few achievements, and she has like blank ones that are secret. These are like her secret achievements. That's what it's not like. Sometimes it just glitches, sometimes it's like secret achievements. And yeah, and right now I'm just gonna head to the stuff. So let's go to Jama Township, and let's see, I'm gonna go, and I got some better stuff. So if you want any better stuff, ask me, and I'll think about it, and I could give you it. Could have some luck. And yeah, right. I'm just gonna go right here. I never even did the Greeley's Infro. I already did all of these already, but I didn't do the Greeley's Inferno. So I'm just gonna do the Greeley's Inferno. Alright. Dun 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 dun. I'm just gonna go talk to her. Quick. No, I'm just gonna do my recording first. Alright, I'm sorry if my best friend's saying this, but yeah. Let's see here. KK. Come on. More people. 1, 2 more people. People, 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 people. Oh, that's one of my agents. Yeah. One of my agents are playing with my. One of my secret agents are playing with me. Whoa, that is something big. If you can't see me right now, I'm sorry. Let me just put on the light. Light? My light's broken. Are you serious? Let me use another light. Please tell me this one works. Yes! It works. Something's going on here. Wow, this is gonna be a long video, I think. Oh, it's working. What's going on? Am I hacked? Am I suspended? Am I banded? Please don't tell me I'm banded. What's going on here? Work, work. Please don't tell me I'm banded or something. Oh my god. I think I gotta like reset or something, man. This is like messed up. I think somebody's hacking. This is a fail. I'm just gonna do this myself. I think I'm just gonna do this myself. This is harsh. I'm gonna do this myself, guys. I'm so sorry if you're one of the jammers that are with me. I don't even think they're gonna watch this, but okay. Yeah, I got 5 subscribers now, and thank you. If I at least get 10, well, I'm gonna have a giveaway or something. If I at least get like maybe 100 from this year, you'll see what I'm gonna give you. I'm gonna buy like a Roblox card, redeem, and it's only gonna work for one person. I'm not gonna use it. Okay, so you guys gotta vote. Which one do you guys want? The Roblox card or the Animal Jam card? I'm gonna buy 2 of them. And if you want Animal Jam, I have to see more Animal Jam votes. So, well, it's surprise time. If I get 100 subscribers from this year. Alright, I'm just gonna go and play it. Go join an adventure. Normal. Oh, join an adventure? Host an adventure. This is harsh. Because you have to host an adventure. Alright. Play. That's one of my secret agents. One of my secret agents. One of my secret agents. Wow, this is a glitch. Finally! My spy. Oh my gosh, you just like... Ugh. This is the part that I'm talking about. Okay, guys. My spy. You're here. Okay, let's go, guys. Come on, do it. Shoot spy style. Come on, let's go. And I'm recording. And I'm recording. Hey, my buddy Fangs right here. Look at the little kitty cat. Oh, you're so cute. Hey, you wanna play? I'll play with you later. I just gotta record, bro. Alright. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Oh my god. Dope, dopey dosh. Dopey dosh. No! I wish I could jump right now. Oh my god. Ow. That hurt. Oh, never mind. Alright, let's go. The last one's really hard. Oh my god. Oh, that's what you gotta do. You gotta go on the trail. And then make it like not scan nobody. And then it'll just like kill it. Like boom. You gotta put the mirror and then it kills itself. I don't want to say kill. I just want to say destroy. Because you can't say kill or else it's gonna be like you're in a bad situation, blah 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 blah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Trap him, boy. Great. You just get in the mud. Oh, snap. I just got banged right there. I'm going through anyway. Ah. Whoa, it looks like I just destroyed it. Alright, let's go. I'll ditch you. I ditched you. Ditch means like run away from you. I ditched you. I ditched you. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Oh gosh. Ah. Yeah. Why does every time people spawn, it looks like they're dead? They're just like sleeping right there. But then after that, they just wake up. Why did people always spawn like that except me? Alright, 50 gems. Perfecto. Because I really need a lot of gems so I can buy stuff. So awesome. Oh my gosh. You eat them. Almost level 14. Lucky. She's on that level. Wow. She must have went on adventures a lot. Alright. Oh my gosh. Whoa. This is like some weird path thingamajig. Oh my god. I'm dead meat. By the way, this is my first ever cheetah. Cool. Oh, so our first animal is a cheetah. Well, I didn't even get my animal yet. My dad said he's gonna buy me upgraded membership so I can get like 20 some gems, and then after that 25 gems, and then after that when I get my 25 gems I can buy, I'm just gonna buy like one animal, which the one that I really want is a snow leopard, so I'm just gonna get a snow leopard. Then after that you can get animals in gems. So then after that I'm just gonna buy all the ones I want. Why are you even disturbing me? I'm about to get killed by a phantom. I hate you. You already made me get killed by a phantom. And you're talking to me? Literally. Dude, you just made me get killed. Oh god, I'm too slick. I'm too slick. Go. Oh my god. Oh my god. I gotta get it. Gotta get it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yes, I don't want to leave my money behind. No money left behind. No money left behind. Alright, I don't know where I'm going right now. I don't know where I'm going. I have no idea where I'm going. You. Boom. She found a place. She found a carbon. They call this carbons for some reason. Carverns. Wow, this is a long video. It's already been 15 minutes and 10 seconds. This is the longest video I ever made on YouTube already. Alright, sure. I will be making some Skylander TV stuff, like Ben 10 Alien and stuff. I will be doing that. Over there. Get killed, bro. That's on the TV. Oh gosh. Alright. Well, I don't want to fall off this thing. Oh, don't get me. Don't. Oh gosh. It's a phantom watcher. You gotta stop the thing from flowing down here to like get the cork, block it, get the cork and block it, get the cork, that's not a cork, lady. Sorry to say that to you, but that's not a cork. Alright, turn it away or something. Boom! Who was the smarter pants? Oh, I made it worse. Let's get the cork now. Be right back. Are you kidding me? You gotta do something else about this. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh snap. Oh, the smart dude is back. Oh my god, I just fixed that all by myself. Boom, what's my present? Money come to mama. Back, she's a back. Bicker. I'm bickering with we are. I'm bickering with you. I'm bickering. Bickering. Alright, how do I do this? So there's like 3 of them, right? So then I have to like turn that over somewhere. I don't know. Like turn it over there. Here. Oh, there. Here. Not there. Here. Here. Did I do anything good? What's going on here? Alright, this is odd. It's supposed to be powering up there too. I think we're doing it the wrong way or something. Alrighty. Aha! Found it. Boom. Bam! Opened it. Holla. You wanna get the gem, huh? Get up here first. Boom. Courage. Hey, that was mine. Yes. Just kidding. I care for my jammers. Oh my god, I need to find the next cork. Where's the next cork? How do I destroy these? Oh, I don't even know. Every time I click on them, right? I can't even destroy them. Don't. Oh my god. No, not that. I'm in a deep sleep. Yeah. Whatever. Great job. LOL. That's all the girls say. LOL. Sometimes I don't think the gear fits in there. Oh my gosh, you need a gear? How worse could this get? Ever. LOL. LOL, man. LOL, man. Let's up here, man. Man, you got to just wake up. Man. Dude, what the heck? I thought you were supposed to like get the gear and then what's going on here? I don't get it. I don't get the thing. Oh, there's another curtain there, so that's why. Oh my god, I'm gonna get like crushed. Well, please don't tell me this is just some weird stuff. I don't get this. Where I need a gear. 2 more lava crystals and place them in the emblem. Just kidding. It's emblem. Just kidding. I like to joke with you guys, man. You subscribers, man. Makes me so proud. Why is there phantom goop in there? That's lava. Phantom goop can mix with lava. I wanna get this one. You so mean, like mean, man. You like mean. You like so mean. Oh, we got one more left. The last lava crystal. I need to get the last lava crystal. I need to get the last lava crystal. The last lava crystal. The very, very last lava crystal. The very last lava crystal. That's it. I hear some people say that. The last lava crystal. Crystal on YouTube. Crystal. Forgot the name of it. The last lava crystal. Crystal. The last lava. So funny. You guys gotta watch that video. If you can never find it. Are you serious? 22 minutes. Now it's going to be 23 minutes. In 3, 2, 1, boom. You don't have a recording right there. I can check the time. So, screencast the fire. Screencast the fire. Get a screencast the fire now. Wow, 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 wow. Yes, she got it. That means that I, known as me, I get to get the last crystal. The very last crystal. The very last crystal. No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is like so. Oh my gosh. To explore the volcano. Okay. Yes. I will explore the volcano. Oh my gosh. Phantoms? Seriously? You bring phantoms right after I came in? Wow. She's lucky. She could have just been like me and just ran off. But no. I'm getting that stuff. Yum. How did you do that? Oh. Alright, what do I get? 100 gems! Yes! Alright, let's go, man. Holla! I have a wider smile. That's I have a wider smile in the commercial. I'm sorry I'm all pumped up today, but I got it. about to poke your eye. Poke. Oh, the lady eye. I was about to poke it. Oh, boom! I did the dynamite. Nationwide on your side. Nationwide is on your side. Surrounded by lives. Courage. Oh my gosh, what do I get? What do I get? Should I get something? Awesome! Grr? Yes! Oh, this is so cool. I never know if you could unlock something. Wait, I just remembered. If you're an Arctic wolf and you play with me, I got chicken hat. If you're playing with them and they actually unlock this, you can literally get like a rare or something. But if you're like a member and you still have a wolf, well, yeah. And there's no leopard, they're cheetah ones. I don't even know. Wardrobe, capes. I don't even know what they're saying, but. Alright, I don't know what this is, but I'm just gonna put it down. Boop. What did she just write? I don't even know what that says. Oh, I destroyed the lava laser thing. Alright, what's this? It's in here. Oh, that's where I went in. Oh my god, I'm just so waka. What did you get? What did you get, boss? I got a chicken hat. Up behind there, Dora. I got a chicken hat. I'm just gonna trade that chicken hat in for gems. I didn't even open that one. I think it's rare. Don't mind if I want to say out loud. Please do not skip. Please. I know this is really weird, but do not skip my videos, please. I'm begging you guys. I just don't. It makes me feel bad. See, look, like that Arctic wolf. If you like, for example, you know why there's an Arctic wolf statue in the diamond shop? You wanna know why? Because the Arctic wolves get rare stuff mostly. So if you go on adventures, you might have an extra super duper lucky chance of getting something rare or something that you always wanted. Trust me. I have seen a lot of videos. I typed in Animal Jam, Lucky Arctic Wolf, they went on an adventure, blah blah blah. I just typed that in and I found a few. It's on like the 10th page, and it was like 1 year ago. So yeah. Yeah. Alright, I don't even know where. Oh! He who. How do I even get off here? Oh, I get from here? How do I get there? 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 Literally, how do I get there? There's like a dead end. How did she get there? How did she? How did she? Oh. Oh, I see. So you just went down the pole, you got that, you went down here, and then you went through here. Oh, I see. I see. I see. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Oh, I see. Like, oh, I see. Ices, like ices. You get what I mean? Nah, I don't think. Alright, where's my treasure chest? Oh, I feel like a spy cat. You feel like a spy cat, alright? Just feel like a spy cat, alright. Feel like a spy cat. Feel like a spy cat, alright. I wonder how many gems I'm going to get after this. How did she get down? How did you get there? I'm following you because you know most of the stuff. She's on level 18. I mean, she's on level 13, sorry. She's getting on 14 soon, she said. Because I can see it myself, and she said, soon I'll be on there. I was like, I know that. I can see it with my own eyes. Crash, crash, burn, sting. I watched too much TV. Oh my gosh, I'm going to get killed. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, how do I get down here now? Is there like an entranceway? Or okay, I have to do that again? Nah, just gotta get up there. And do it all over again. Just like the old way, man. Alright, so I just get through here and voila! I'm right there. Okay, there's a lot of food here I gotta eat. I mean money here I got to get. Get it. Oh my god, I have one life left. I'm not wasting that one life. You come here, phantom boy. Come over here. Give me the best shot. Ha ha ha. You just got patched by my one and only agent. Actually, not the one and only agent. Another agent of mine. Let's see, I have a lot of agents. Like 5 of them now. So I got secret agents on the move. There's like thousands of them around here. Thousands of secret agents. That's what we're doing and that's what we're supposed to do. Alright, we have a lot of stuff to get. I'm just gonna go back right here, go through here, then go to the right, and then back through here. How do we even throw them? I have a question. How do I throw these boom seeds? I know they boom when they're seeds. I don't even know how to throw them up. Or put them somewhere. I click on them and then for that they don't work. Everybody does it, but I don't know how. I only know how to do it with the boss battle level. Okay, she's like throwing or pressing them or something, and I don't get what she means. Phantom puts me in the deep sleep of mines. They put me in this very, 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 very deep sleep. I wonder how many I have now. Maybe 2,000 or something? Because I'm grabbing millions of them. Alright, phantoms. Help me. I just died. Wait, what? Oh, I get it. Because she's on level 18. I mean 13. And I'm on level 4. So I only get like a few lives. She has 4 and I have like 3. See? If you didn't notice, you could like resume. I mean, go back. Rewind. I found it. Boom. I got one. You found one. You found one of them. And then where do I use this one? Oh, I use it right here. Patrick, really? You again? I told you to stay away. I had everything under control before you arrived. I investigated the phantoms. Go to the door and face the Phantom King. I love this part. It's so amazing and dramatic. I already beat him, and I'm beating him again. That's the cool part. You get actually pretty cool items. At the end, you actually get pretty cool items. The best part is, if you're an Arctic wolf, you might get rare. What the heck? It's glitching. It's glitching. Glitch. 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 It's lagging. 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 Why is it lagging on me? I just worked so hard. Alright guys, I'm gonna go and reset this adventure, and let's see, I think after that we're gonna check my gems, and I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna buy. And this is like a 37-minute video, I know, right? I hope you enjoy, right? And told you we'll be doing Club Penguin gaming soon, so stay tuned. And I do watch a little bit Skylander dad videos and Skylander boy and girl videos. So if you would like to watch those too, it's your choice. And let's see here, where's she? She's on an adventure. Hers is not lagging. Great, lucky you. Oh, she's so cute. She's really cute. You're so cute. Yeah. See what party's on. Penguin only party, huh? Let's see what they have in the Arctic. Let's see what they have new. What's new, people? What's new? What's new? I know what's new around here. Usually they have like a sale. Chilling out. Oh, no volume. La 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 la. Dun 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 dun. This is our lair. I'm a spy. An agent lava. Sorry. Can join a person that I don't know's tribe. She just looks away from me. Which one should I get? I love the Greeley. I'll like him because he's wearing that. It looks so much cooler. Oh. all so cool. I don't even know which one to get. I don't know. They're just so cool. Oh my gosh. I can't choose any of these, man. Whoa. Spaceship Man? That's cool, but I don't even know if you can control that. If I could control it, I would be surprised. Alright. I'm going to get a brush now. I can't believe I'm wasting all my money on that. Alright. Let's see where I'm gonna put it. And my den's always unlocked. So don't worry, unless if somebody like a mean girl, like today, I met this girl, she was nice, and then she's like, I want to join, and she's like, I don't care, shut up. And she's like, she can literally say that. Then she says, and then after that, one day later, she's like, you weirdo, you just made me get suspended for 1 day. I said, none of my beeswax. No, I said, none of your business. Again. And I said, I don't care either. So then I locked my den because only my friends were in there and she wasn't even my friend. So I locked it. And now, yeah. So it's only going to be unlocked for like 2 minutes. So don't worry, guys. Ooh! And I got my mushrooms I wanted from my adventure I accomplished. My mushrooms. Oh, this could be cool. It could be washing my mushrooms. Wash my mushrooms, man. Wash my mushrooms. Oh, this is gonna be so cool. It's like right in my bed, right there. Whoa. Right there? Whoa. Castle Palace. Safe. This is gonna be so cool. Wait. Dinner table, say? Alright. Sorry, dude, but I gotta leave you now. So cool. I'm just gonna put that right there. Between the cool stuff. My birthstone. My birthstone right here. My birthstone. I was born with birthstone. I can't believe this cost 1,000. This should be cost like 500. I'm putting that on the little tiny shelf. My foodies. Wait a second. I don't even need this. And wait. I got an idea. Alright, so somebody's using this right. So side right here. Somewhere right here. Perfect spot. There. Alright. And my little secret agent spa thing. Dun. I won't be changing my den until I find something corporate. And yeah, not that much. Well, and see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it. And comment and reply.